Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about colorize string in the WordPress command. So what is colorize string? So it is the way of displaying string into the command output with different colors. So let me show you an example. So I'm gonna run a command. So command is not necessary. Just see the output of the command. You see this error is displaying in the red color. So this is what we are going to do in this video. So the colorize is using to change color of your output data. So how to do that? So we just need to use this function WP-CLI colorize, and that's it. Very simple. But before adding that, let me show you what we have done so far so that you know what you are doing. And if you don't know, if you are coming directly on this video, I would suggest to watch our previous video so that you know what I'm doing with my custom plugin here. So this is the custom plugin added on my local site. This is the terminal in which I am on the root of my local site where I am running all the command. And now I'm gonna open this plugins custom CLI commands.php where I have created some custom commands. So yeah, I would suggest to see my previous videos so that you know what I'm gonna do in this video. So in this class I'm gonna add one more sub command. This is my custom command, and now I'm gonna add sub command. So and I'm gonna call it BWP colorize. And I'm gonna add this two arguments to this function. And now let's use colorize. So in this colorize, let's add a string called BuntyWP. And how to define colors. So WP-CLI has some predefined shortcodes or identifier for colors, so we have to use that. So let's say we want to use this magenta color, so we have to put this right before the string like this, and to print the string into the WP-CLI we have to use WP-CLI line function. And let's try to execute this sub command. So I'm gonna open my terminal, WP-BWP, then this is the sub command. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it over here, and as you can see the string is displaying into this whatever the color it is. I don't know the color name, magenta. Okay, then let's try to add this %3, and let's see what happens. Sorry about that, guys. So it is displaying something like this. So you have many options to display your string with different colors. Now let's try to implement in our previous command, which was progress. So I'm gonna put this. So I'm gonna display something after finishing the progress. I'm gonna put this yellow color now, capital Y. Progress is done, and let's see what happens with this. So I'm gonna run this command now. Count 20. Let's wait. So once this is done, we should see our message with different color. Let's wait. Yeah, don't go on the spelling, just see the content. So yeah, we are seeing a message in different color. So this is the video, guys. This is how you can use colorize in WP-CLI commands. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.